Congratulations on completing your paid project or onboarding with us. There are a variety of supports that can help you manage your account. You can access all the support tools available to help you by logging into your CallTrackingMetrics account, navigating to the left-hand navigation menu, and selecting Help. You can then select Knowledge Base. Our knowledge base houses all of the content you need to troubleshoot. You can find articles related to common problems or use the search bar to locate articles by keywords. We are constantly updating and revising this information to ensure it is as useful and up-to-date as possible. Our training center contains video walkthroughs of particular features and topics related to our platform. You can also find live and recorded webinars for your convenience. The Get Started tab provides a step-by-step guide to help you set up and manage your account and marketing campaigns right away. The status page will inform you if certain functions or features are operational on our platform. You may find this particularly useful if your account features aren't operating as configured. It will provide you insight about the problem and whether or not you need technical support. You can also subscribe to updates about incidents regarding our platform by clicking on I subscribe to updates at the top right of the status page and then providing your email address. The blog is a great resource for customers to get inspiration and direction on how to use both well-loved and newly released features. Learn more about the features in CallTrackingMetrics and how they can create value in your day-to-day roles. CallTrackingMetrics operates in Eastern Standard Time and is open Monday through Thursday from 7:30 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. and Friday 7:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. To access a member of our support team, you can submit a ticket through the CTM platform by selecting Help in the navigation panel, then clicking the Ticket Portal option after CTM platform. Once you submit your ticket, you can conveniently check the status of your ticket directly from our portal by signing in with your existing Ticket Portal credentials. If you have not yet signed up for the Ticket Portal, you can do so from the Ticket Portal sign-in page. During business hours, your ticket will be acknowledged within 24 hours, followed by additional ticket responses of up to 48 hours. The goal of our support team is to provide a resolution to all ticketed issues in a timely manner. Here are some examples of issues our technical support team can and cannot assist you with. Technical support can troubleshoot and resolve configuration issues technical in nature. They can provide guidance on configuration that may not be working as expected, and they can escalate tickets to the engineers and product team when the reported issue requires deeper investigation and resolution. Technical support is unable to make changes in your account for you. They cannot provide you with any business advice and are unable to provide support for advanced features, such as API-related inquiries. Here are some scenarios you can reference to further help your understanding of technical support's role. Technical support can help review the configuration of one of your voice menus that isn't working as expected and provide suggested changes. However, they cannot create voice menus for you. They can troubleshoot why all of your calls are going to voicemail, but they cannot make adjustments to any troublesome configuration on your behalf. They can walk you through how to purchase a tracking number, but they cannot walk you through the by numbers process multiple times or configure your tracking numbers for you. This is a perfect example of when our video walkthroughs and the knowledge base articles are very helpful. We also offer Premier Help Desk services, which provides you with a dedicated technical team member who answers your calls when you contact us during business hours. If you are interested in this service, please speak with your account manager for more information. This is an overview of the support tools available to help you manage your account. As always, we are here to help you and we appreciate your business with CallTrackingMetrics.